How to show a ruler in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. After you open Microsoft Word, at the top you will find View. Simply click on View at the top. Here you'll find Show. In Show, at the top, in the first option you'll find Ruler. Click on it. Make sure there's check mark in the ruler icon. After there's a check mark in ruler, you'll find ruler in your sheet at the bottom as well. And in this way, you can add, and if you want to remove, you can simply click on ruler again and remove the check mark, and ruler will be removed. This is how to show ruler in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.